Good morning to one and all present here. You are welcome to our Government College of Engineering, Tanjavur. Shall I now discuss about the topic Student Induction Program? Now presented by Dr. P. Sarita, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Government College of Engineering, Tanjavur. Next, introduction about the Students Induction Program based on universal human values is one of these mandatory measures to prepare for newly admitted students for BE candidates for the new stage in their life by facilitating a smooth transition from their home and school environment. The school environment into the college environment and school environment to the university environment through various discussions and various activities are discussed and feedback and report on this program. Next, purpose and concept of this program to help for new students adjust and feel comfortable in the new environment, culture of the institutions to help them build bonds with other students and faculty members and expose them to a sense of larger purpose and self exploration also, and it engages with the new students as soon as they come into the institution. The regular classes start only after that, the start of the induction program, the incumbents learn about the institutional policies, processes, practices, culture, and values, and their mentor groups are formed. For student induction would cover a number of different aspects. For shortly inform you, SAG. S stands for socializing. This program meeting other new students or most senior students and some students union for created some lectures by eminent peoples to help them. A stands for associating. For all students, visits to university or college, visits to various department or branch, and various program of study, and important places on this campus or local area visit, and city, and so on. G stands for governing. Our institution's rules and regulations are followed, and some other students support also, etc. And E stands for experiencing. To develop the knowledge for support, subject lectures, study skills, small group of activities, physical activity, creative arts, and performing arts and fine arts, literary activities, and the universal human values, etc. To develop the your communication skill also. And list of activities followed by the students and faculty: physical activity, mentoring, familiarization to department or branch, creative arts and culture, literary activity, lectures by eminent people, visits to local area, extracurricular activities in college, and feedback and report on the program. Next, first discussion, physical activity. For all students to involve daily routine of physical activity, that is yoga, with games and sports also. Mentoring. For each faculty member separated for mentor and mentee. For each faculty, you can consider these 20 students are allotted. There's a group of students' feelings are analyzed. It would set up a healthy relationship between the students and the faculty. Without sharing this, uh, your school life and then college life. Third one, familiarization with school or department. And orientation, helping them differentiate between the college life and school life, along with career prospects offered by specific courses should be organized. For all students should be familiarized with their school or department or program of study, laboratories and workshops and some other facilities also. Fourth one, creative arts and culture. For all students should be exposed to culture, art, forms like painting, sculpture, pottery, music, dance, etc. Fifth one, literary activity. Students reading a book or article, writing skills and its summary, and possibly debating, enacting a play, etc. Lectures by eminent people. It should be organized to provide exposure to students, people who are alumni, socially active in profession or in public life should be invited. These eminent peoples to help them forever for their future life. Visits to local area. We are all visit to a monument or a landmark of the city like a picnic for bonding. To be arranged after the induction program is over, perhaps on a Saturday or as decided by the college. This weekend for visit to the and different area and extracurricular activities in college. The new students should be introduced to the extracurricular activities at the college or university, where individual performance, where individual behavior for developed in our institution. The next important topic, mentoring sessions, student aspirations and family expectations. Second one, gratitude towards people helping me. Third one, human needs of yourself and the body. Fourth one, peer pressure. Fifth one, prosperity. Sixth one, relationships. These are all universal human values. These are family expectations also. This is the first discussion, students' aspirations, meaning at the personal as well as family level. For example, one person's I will inform you where I come from. That is, we will inform I will come from place. I'm coming from Trichy. Our place inform you city, our school life and family background are inform you. Your individual hobbies and interested in your games and interesting food for inform you. And some of the thought level inform you. What kind of professional career and personal goals. How I project myself also. Okay, I wish to do in my life. That is for your career. Otherwise, your goal, your desires, your feelings are explained, or your individual action, your my own actions reflecting your behavior inform you. That is for students' aspirations. Gratitude towards people helping me. This is for all for gratitude levels, expectation within family, recognizing the role of others, our help to others. And third one, human needs of yourself and body. For each member's needs for happiness, that is self, I. Body meanings, food or clothing inform you. Needs are food, needs are clothing. And some other examples of for time needs are continuous, that is self. Time needs are temporarily, that is body. And another one major differentiate, quantity needs are qualitative, that is I quantity needs are qualitative, that is self. Quantitative limited in quantity, that is body. Okay, so you can activities are desiring, thinking, knowing, your assumptions are self and body analyzed. The self and body and clearly inform you this single word for mental need or physical need. Mental need or physical need. Is making desire and aspirations list also. You can imagination opening up larger view. Next, peer pressure. Peer pressure. These are related to the appearance. That is related to appearance. For example, plain clothes versus expensive clothes. So your situations, your classroom members for kurta and pajama, okay, using. And then another one person's coat shoot pant using. and the other person's saree versus jeans comparing. That is for appearance. Your asymmetric situations, we go to inform you. That is valuable. Peer pressure meaning valuable or respect to our society. For costly gadgets. For latest model gadgets for inform you. Some of the basic examples of our peer persons, our peer group, our peer pressure, that is equal rank, or quality and worth of the rank inform you. Or another one, your feeling wise, or feeling that you are being pushed toward making a certain choice, good or bad. That is for major examples. For physical facilities also inform you. Okay, but for your recent technologies wise, physical facilities like mobile, laptop, watch TV, etc. And next, prosperity. This is a feeling that I have done my physical needs. Your feelings inform you. Physical needs, more than my physical needs. Knowledge in the self and physical assessment. Some of the conditions are applied and the result are analyzed. Your understand possessiveness, your knowledge development, how to inform you. And happiness, your prosperous mind inform you. And relationship, this a relationship meaning your family relationship. More, your major relationship, consider 7 relations. There are first one parent and children, second one teacher and student, third one brother and sister, fourth one friends, okay, friend need, okay, and fifth one Sadi and Sahaya Godi, okay, and then that is leadership and assistant, and sixth one husband and wife, seventh one system related, your working station system related, your woman inside, your house inside is in system related analyzed. We got to maintain these 7 relationships in our family. And major 9 values are 9 values are 9 types of feelings are values in relationship, that is mentoring sessions. The first one trust. Okay. First one trust analyze. Second one respect. Each person respectiveness important. Third one affection. Fourth one care. Fifth guidance. Sixth gratitude. Seventh one reverence. Eighth glory. And nine love. For student responsibility, treat all members of the college community with respect. Represent the college as responsible ambassadors through their good conduct on and off campus. Their actions have a positive impact on the college, the local and wider community. To assimilate with the college's culture, pursue the academic and professional studies in a diligent, honest, and responsible manner. For engage with the college initiatives to promote well-being of humankind. Follow with the college's policies and procedures are followed. To seek appropriate support and guidance by asking for help them when it is needed. Be well informed about their responsibilities and rights as a student, and to work collaboratively with the college to shape their experience. And finally, you have to collected feedback and report on the program. For all students should be asked to give their mid-program feedback. For every week programs feedback are calculated, and then you have to make any week courses corrections for evaluated, and finally end of the program for each group 20 students allotted. This students our performance inform you a single report on their experience of the program. For each group, one candidate for present their report in front of their groups. And some partners in induction program, important functionaries, faculty mentors, student council or association, selected senior students or student guides, selected alumni, civil society, invited distinguished people. You have to follow this for induction program. This is some of the points for included. Okay, this faculty mentors. We have to analyze this for students' feeling and senior and junior students for represents this for induction programs feedback. And some important points are analyzed. It is a mandatory non-credit program in the ACT model curriculum 2018. Colleges have to ensure that students have completed the program satisfactorily. Attendance should be taken must. Tests should be conducted to determine the students were able to gain from these activities. For physical education also, some assessment should be done during the last few slides. For the other activities, attendance would serve to ensure participation. No fee should be collected from the students for the overall program or any component of the program. For each student, your individual performance are telecast. An overall summary for the students induction program. These engineering institutions were set up to generate well-trained manpower in engineering with a feeling of responsibility towards oneself, one's family, and country. The incoming undergraduate students are driven by their parents and society to join engineering without understanding their own interests and talents. As a result, most students have failed to link up with the goals of their own institution. Students induction program to make the newly joined students to feel comfortable, sensitize them towards exploring their academic interests and activities. Some reducing competition and making them work for excellence, promote bonding within them, build relations between teachers and students, give a broader view of life and building of character also. Next, universal human values component, which acts as the anchor, develops awareness and sensitivity, feeling of equality for all students, compassion and oneness, and draw attention to society and nature and character to follow through. It makes them reflect on their relationship with their families and extended family in the college, with the hostel students and staff and others for feeling sharing it. It also connects students with each other and with the teachers so that they can share any difficulty they might be facing and seek help them. The graduating student must have values as a human being and knowledge and meta skills related to his or her profession as an engineer and as a citizen. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.